Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot cake donuts in two different ways. One is baked and the other is fried. You can choose which way you would like to make them. Both turn out great, so let's get started. We'll make the baked one first, so preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the eggs, and then lightly beat them with a whisk. Then add in the milk and the melted butter and whisk them together until they're combined. Add in the dry ingredients and the grated carrots and mix them together just until they're combined. Then pour the batter into a large plastic bag. Spread it down to one corner of the bag, press out the excess air and seal the bag. And then cut off the corner of the bag. Grease the donut pan really well with nonstick cooking spray. And then pipe the batter into the pan. Then bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until they turn a light golden brown color. Then once done, remove them from the oven, let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. And then transfer to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And now to make the fried carrot cake donuts, just make it the exact same way as we made the baked donuts, except use more flour. Now once the dough is formed, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. And then move it around until the dough is covered in flour. You don't want to knead the dough, you just want to move it around. And just add more flour if the dough is sticking. And make sure there's enough flour underneath the dough so it doesn't stick to the work surface. And then roll out the dough until it's about a ½ an inch thick. And use a cookie cutter to cut out the donut shapes. And use a smaller cookie cutter to cut out the donut hole. Roll out the remaining dough and continue cutting out the donut shapes until all the dough is used up. Heat a large pan with about a ½ inch of oil in it and heat it until it gets up to 375 degrees. You'll know it's hot enough if you add a piece of the dough into the oil. If it sizzles straight away, it's ready. And then work in batches and add each of the donuts into the oil and fry them for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side, or until they turn a light golden brown color. Once done, remove them from the oil and place them onto a paper towel lined plate to drain any excess oil. And then continue doing that for the rest of the donuts. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a large bowl add the softened cream cheese and softened butter and beat them with an electric mixer until they're smooth. Then add in the powdered sugar and mix it in until it's combined. And then add in the milk and beat it in until it's combined. And then simply frost each of the donuts with the frosting. And that's how to make carrot cake donuts in 2 ways. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.